to another Asian meal prep recipe video. Today I'm experimenting on using lentils, which is a high protein vegetarian carbohydrate sauce. So I've got my lentils right here and I'm making a dal stir fry with chicken and prawn and with some veggies like carrots and pumpkin. Check this one out. Alright guys, so first things first, we are going to cook our protein. Alright, I'm going to start off with the chicken and the prawn. We're going to spray the pan with olive oil spray and add in the chicken and prawn. So just adding the chicken in. So we'll just let the chicken fry for a bit, maybe for about 2 to 3 minutes before we add the prawn in. Alright, as soon as the chicken is brown, as you can see here, we're gonna pop in the prawn. Awesome. And stir it together. So we're gonna stir fry the chicken and the prawn until the prawn turns slightly red. So that just really signifies that it's cooked. And then we're gonna set it aside, okay? Oh, look at that. So the prawn is nearly red, okay? So we're just gonna leave it like that for a bit. Alright, so as soon as it's cooked, we're gonna set aside, okay? So we're just setting aside on plate. Alrighty. Alright, so once this is set aside, we're gonna just take out the deep pan, right, and just heat the deep pan on high, okay? So let it heat up. Alrighty, so we are gonna add in the olive oil into the pan. Followed by garlic, onion, some chili padi, and we are gonna stir fry it, okay? Alright, so we will stir fry this. Ooh, smell. Alright. Okay, once it starts to brown, okay, we're gonna add in the water and then the lentils, alright? So add in the water. So right inside. Yep. Just a little bit of like bubbles. Okay. And then we are gonna add in our lentils. So I am using about 1 cup of lentils. I think that's pretty enough for 3 meals. You can of course use more or less, you know, depending on your goals and depending on your macros. But what we're trying to achieve today is stir fry dal, so it's not gonna be too watery, and we are gonna add in some veggies as well, so it's gonna feel a little bit pasty. Alright, and I'm actually quite curious to taste this. Honestly, I have no idea how this is gonna turn out like, but we'll give it a shot. Okay, so we are gonna give it a nice stir, and once we're done with that, we are gonna add in the remaining ingredients except for the veggies. Okay, so we have some curry leaves. So we're gonna add that in. And just a little bit of turmeric, okay, just to sort of get the color out later on. And we are gonna just stir it up. So we're just gonna let it boil for a couple of minutes. Alright guys, so what I've done is I've just let the water to reduce a little bit by about 1/4. There you go. So what we're gonna do next is to add in the carrots and the pumpkin. And just stir it out together. So at this stage, we're just gonna cover it and let it boil on medium for a bit. Alrighty, so we are gonna look at the mixture. A little bit of salt as well to taste. And stir it up all together. Alrighty guys, so it's time for us to build our meal. So I'm just gonna take this off the heat. All we gotta do is just to split this up into 3. So I'm gonna start off with 1. So there you have it guys. So we have a 3-meal prep called the stir fry dal with a chicken and prawns. Give it a try. I'm gonna do a taste test and tell you how it is. Okie dokie. Let's taste this. Got some carrots involved. Some peas. Okay. It's like surprisingly tasty. I don't know how to actually explain it, but it feels a little bit like the dal curry. But at the same time, it's just so fusion up with pumpkin and the carrot, and the softness of it is actually pretty nice. Yeah, I think it really will go well as well with maybe like some bread like chapati, if your macros do allow, but give this one a try guys, I think you'll like it. So there you have it guys, that's a 3-meal prep. Give it a try. If you like this, make sure you give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you guys again next week with another cheap, fast and nutritious Asian meal prep recipe. Stay safe!